This is how to do a panorama in Final Cut Pro. First of all, we've got a picture here, and we'll pop it onto the timeline, and then we'll just extend it out a little bit. So it's a reasonable length, about 15 seconds. You can scrub through, and as you can see, nothing happens at the moment. So starting at the beginning, what we'll do is we'll first of all scale the picture up a bit because it's too small. There we go. That's improved the scale a little bit. And then we're going to add a keyframe at the position. With that done, click on the X. You can move the mouse up and down and position to whichever position you want. So we'll go to the left and start it there. Then move along to wherever you want. I'll put it just before the end, and we'll add another keyframe. And with that done, you can change the position to the other end of the photo, and that should be the job done. It will play, hopefully, and animate. Clearly you can adjust other parameters as well. But that is it.